The valley is hushed, the flowers are all dying, the meadow is white with the winter snow. Alone as I stand at the place where Danny's lying, I say a silent prayer. Somehow I know He hears me there. So soft I tread above Him, for now He sleeps in peace. We hear Danny's voice no more. Oh, Danny boy, the pipes are calling from glen to glen and down the mountainside. The summer's gone and all the flowers are dying. 'Tis you must go and I must bide, and I shall hear though soft you tread above me, and all my grave will warmer, sweeter be. For you will bend and tell me that you love me, and I will sleep in peace.